Good evening, and my name is Danilo Asuncion, and my title is Why Failure is Not the End. Have you ever failed at something and felt like that was like maybe you're just not good enough? I remember one time I studied hard for an exam. I sacrificed sleep, I review notes, and I review my topic what I need to understand and to focus again and again. But when the result comes out is fail. I felt embarrassed. I didn't want to talk anyone, and I started thinking if I'm good enough or my study hard is enough. And but later I realized something important is failure is not the end. It's feedback today, and I want to share one big idea. Failure is something to fear. It's something to help us grow to our fault or failure. For the first, failure teaches us lesson that success cannot. When we succeed, we celebrate. When we fail, we reflect and we ask ourselves what went wrong, what's the wrong to ourselves. That question helps us to improve, to focus on one subject or how you get that thing you want to get. And failure shows us our weakness or see them, we can work on them. And for the second, failure builds character when everything is easy. We won't develop patience or discipline. Failure is giving us to have a discipline and focus on the thing and be patient. But when things are hard, we learn how to stand up again and we learn resilience and try our best again and again and to have improve. And many successful people failed before they succeed, but we made the difference is that they did not stop because they tried again to achieve the thing what we want. And so the next time you fail, don't immediately say I'm not good enough. Instead say we can learn. I can learn from this. And failure is not a full stop, it's a comma. It means you strong, still going. And my challenge to use is this: take one failure in your life, turn into motivation. Use it as fuel and let push you to improve, not to quit. Because this is the lesson you learn, and because success is not about never failing. Not all people come to success without failing because they prove that failure is not enough and not about that you are on that place. If you failed, you can't do it again. It's not about never giving up. Thank you.